Now, news just coming in also suggests that the Punjab government has submitted its report to the MHA. Now, do remember that yesterday the Punjab government had also constituted a committee to look into these alleged lapses. The Punjab Chief Secretary Anirudh Tiwari has submitted the report to the MHA on the Prime Minister's security breach. He says in that report, and this is what sources are telling us, the protest was sudden. The report also says that the two-member panel probing the matter will submit the report soon. So this is the word that we are getting from the Punjab Chief Secretary Anirudh Tiwari, who said that the protest was sudden. Now there are questions that are being raised about whether this was a pre-planned protest or it was a sudden. But what we understand is, as far as the report from Punjab is concerned, they say it was not planned. Let's go across to Madhurima. Madhurima, even though, the Punjab government seems to maintain that this protest, happened all of a sudden, but eyewitness accounts as well as Republic's own investigation seems to suggest that that was not the case.
Well, absolutely, Nupur, because if you see the press release that was, issued by the Samyukt Kisan Morcha as well, that says that yes, they did have the plans to protest against the Prime Minister visit because of the few impending demands. But all of a sudden, to announce that it was, the Punjab government is saying that it was all of a sudden is something that only highlights the lacuna and the oblivious behavior of the Punjab government and the Punjab police. Because when we talk about the routes of the Prime Minister, it is the protocol to not just block one but multiple routes, and if there was a sudden movement of the farmers and the way we saw the buses and the way the farmers had blocked it, it should be the prerogative of the Punjab government and of the police to clear the route off and direct the convoy of the Prime Minister to take an alternative route, or at least
all right, absolutely. As you're pointing out, Madhurima, these are questions that will now have to be answered. But let me also bring in Amandeep, who has more on this. Amandeep, good morning. Give us more details of this report that we now understand that has been prepared by the Punjab government. The core focus seems to be that the Punjab government believes that these protests were not planned and they took place all of a sudden.
Well, Nupur, the point is that late night Punjab Chief Minister Channi held a high-level meeting at his residence along with the Home Minister, Chief Secretary and Home Secretary. And in fact, they prepared an initial report which was sent later to MHA. And in fact, initial report mentions that the protest had all of a sudden, and Punjab police did whatever they best can do. They have done their job well, and in fact, no lapses has been pointed out in that report, and even this was an initial report, and in fact, they have also mentioned that a detailed report will also be filed within 2 days, just because the panel has been constituted by Punjab government. Retired Justice is the chairman of that panel, and he will submit a detailed report about the event of 5th of December, about the PM security breach, and in fact, that report will also be shared with all kinds of details. But the initial report of Punjab government denied any kind of lapses, and in fact also praising that Punjab police has done a wonderful job. Whatever they have, they can do, they have done it. And in fact, the protest held all of a sudden. A lot of contradictions in this initial report, just because the protest was already planned by the BKU Krantikari, and in fact Punjab government is saying that protest held all of a sudden, so that is the reason they will not able to clear the road. And now let's wait and watch what the detailed report is coming out. Just because this is very initial report, they held a marathon meeting last night till 2 a.m. And in fact, after that, the report was shared with Ministry of Home Affairs, and this was just an initial report to suggest that what kind of arrangements were being done by the Punjab government. And in fact, Charanjit Singh Channi, Chief Minister, was completely backing the Punjab police, mentioning no lapses, and even he himself saying that we have taken the stock of the situation, we have appointed the minister, we have deployed the police also to provide appropriate security to Prime Minister for his visit. But the things have all of a sudden changed, so that is the reason the road remained blocked, and in fact protesters all of a sudden landed on the road, and that entire highway was blocked, and that is the reason that Prime Minister is supposed to wait for that 20 minutes at a flyover. And this is very initial report, but lapses are there. It was very much visible and evident, but Punjab government is completely denying any kind of lapses.
All right, Amandeep Dixit reporting on that. Thank you.